So let's check what you are supposed to do. This is a May-June 2022 paper that was written by Supplemental and Lena's. So let's check question 1. They say calculate makeup achieved. So when you talk about markup achievements, you must know that it is the same as the gross profit on cost of sales. So remember, what did I say about on? I said on is a division sign. So in short, for that question, you were going to say number 1, it is your gross profit on cost of sales. We said on is a division sign. We want the gross profit. Let's check the gross profit. According to this, the gross profit is 5.4 million. There you are. Then let's check our cost of sale. So we're not giving cost of sales, but we have the sales as well as the cost profit. When you minus the 12 million minus 5 million, your answer, I got here 7.2 million. See, multiply by 100. So when you divide and multiply by 100, your answer will be 75%. There you are. That's the first question. The second one, they say calculate acid test ratio. You remember what did I say about the liquidity? The cars or the ace, depending how you can mastate. So acid test ratio, don't forget, that is your current asset minus your inventory is toward, it used to, current liability. And remember, it has a same ratio. That's why the formula will be like this. So let's check. That is your current assets minus your inventory is to what? Is to current liability. So let's check the information given to us. We have current liabilities. Here it is, 735. So our current liabilities will be 735,000. Then let's check our current assets. Here's our current assets, 1323. You'll have 1323,000 minus how much is our inventory? According to this, our inventory was 514,500. Then minus 514,500. The figure that you'll get, it's 808,500. Remember we said this side it will always be 1, though. So 8,500 divided by 735. That will be 1,1. So there your answer. Let's check Nova 3, Manson. No, 3, they say calculate net asset value. What did I say about net? What should come to your mind now is the example that I did for net salary or net wage. So the net, that is your asset minus your liabilities. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be shareholders' equity. So the formula will be your shareholders' equity. The shareholders' equity. Then divide by what? By number issued shares. Then multiply by 100. So let's check our shareholders. 84207, 8847700. It is 8840700. Divide by, let's check a number of shares. Remember, we check now at the end. It's 1 million. That was at the beginning. We further issue 200. So 1 million plus 200 is 1,2. Then we repurchase 50,000. So 1,2 minus 50,000, you'll have 1,150,000. That's your number of issued shares at the end. Then when you multiply by 100, you will get 768,8 cents. There you are, said. The last one, they say calculate the return on average shareholders' equity. What did I say about retain? I said retain is the same as net profit after tax. So the formula will be net profit after tax. Divide by what? Divide by average shareholders' equity. Then multiply by 100. How much is your net profit after tax? 609,200. Say 609,200. Divide. Remember we said it's average. Then the shareholders' equity. This should be for 2 years. And if you're not giving the shareholders' equity, you add your ordinary share, capital plus your retained income. So in this case, the figures, and we're giving it 7,6 and 8840. So we are going to say 7,6 million plus 8840, 700. Then you multiply by 100. The figure will be 7,4%. That is your answer. I hope men said that will be easy for you. Let's try this one if maybe I'm just checking if I can do something for you or the figures were not given. But that's how men say you're supposed to answer this basic application. So we expecting everyone to get full marks when it comes to this basic application. Okay, thank you so much, Mense.